What's good, y'all? It's your boy DJ Fanatic, founder of soundsforproducers.com. Welcome to another video. This is going to be a really quick one. It's just basically a feature that a lot of producers may not use in FL Studio, or you may not know about. So hopefully you enjoy it and you learn from it, and hopefully it benefits you as a producer using this program. If you haven't subscribed, click that sub button. I don't know why you're waiting on it. But anyway, click the bell as well, so that way you get to see more producer tips and more videos. And of course, we got them fire loop packs in the description, so make sure you get those now. So that way, I don't know, you can take your music to another level, man, because it's crazy. Like, every producer that's done music for so long, like, name any platinum producer, they're always looking for dope sounds, always looking for inspiration. Like, you can take one little note and just manipulate it in so many ways and come up with so many different things. You can take, like, we provide MIDI and loop packs as well, so you can take like the pad notes and actually make it arpeggiated and transpose it to something else and then throw some processing. You got something totally different, so you can get really creative with these elements. So, and you know, every producer's always looking for that next thing, like, you know, the next sounds, the next whatever to spark this idea. We all have ideas. We all we're creative people. I'm a producer as well. So anyway, let me stop rambling on. Just wanted to not stress, but, you know, express the sentiment. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you a little feature in FL Studio that you may have overlooked. So this is a cool way to basically find out your project info, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And it has some pretty cool things that you can do inside there. If you haven't, I don't even know if I said that already, but if you haven't subscribed, click the sub button and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Let's see. Okay, so to get to project info, there's this little arrow up here and it says view project info. So you just click on that, and these are some cool things that you can do. Let me check this real quick. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. There's another way to get to this. I think it's options, but that's a quick way. What you have here, you can, I believe this is metadata. Don't quote me on that. You can title the beat, you know, of course, your producer name or whatever you want to put here. And it has a drop down for whatever genre that you're creating. If you're creating space, meditative, nice. There's a lot of genres. And you can click this button to show the info when you open the project. Here is pretty much a note-taking section. You put whatever comments you want. I don't know, the key of the tempo, whatever you want to put in here. We'll work on this that day. This song is for Beyonce, whatever you want to put there. The web link is cool that you can put web links in here as well. And this is pretty much why I wanted to show you this. At the bottom, it says this project was started on, I don't know why the date's like that. You can always change that, but it gives you the day, the month, the year, and it tells you when it was created. I really like this, and the time. So this is the started date, and this gives you an idea, like, it helps keep you organized, especially when you open a project and you have no idea when you did it, or, you know, how long you spent on it. We'll get to that in a second, but it's very useful information. The total time spent on it, come on, this is probably one of my favorite features of this project info. It lets me know how much time I spent on that project making that instrumental. This is dope because let's say you want to time yourself and you got deadlines and you don't want to spend too much time on one beat, or you want to kind of keep your mind set on how much time you spend on specific beats. I mean, this is a very powerful tool here, because like, you're like, yo, I spent 8 hours on a beat. You won't even know it. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the music trying to choose the exact snare, the exact kick, or the exact key, or, you know, we get caught up in the creative part. And this is a cool way of reminding you, yo, you're spending too long doing these little things, or not enough time. You know, I have some producers, you know, where you're just throwing stuff together and you're done. On to the next one. You did like 20 beats, but they're not, you can tell you spent only 10 minutes on it. You know what I mean? But then, then there's producers where they've been doing it for a long time and they can do that and make a 10-minute beat sound like a 3-hour beat. So anyway, this is a very powerful tool here. And obviously, this wasn't here before, I don't think. It tells you how many plugins you use, channels that you used, mixer tracks, playlist tracks, playlist clips, and notes. So that's dope. I didn't even know it said how many notes. And of course, you can reset your working time. Let's say, you go back to the program and you want to reset it like you're starting all over. You can do that. I rarely ever do that because I like to know the time I spent on it. So anyway, that's just a little thing that you may have overlooked in the project info, and that's a quick way to do it. You can just drop down here, and it's this little area right here, view project info. It's on the right tab, and this is the information that's there. So hopefully you learned something. If you liked it, give it a quick thumbs up. Definitely let me know what type of videos you like in FL Studio. Like how to do certain things or whatever can help you become a better producer. And of course, we got them loop packs in the description. Grab them. There's different types of series in there, whatnot. Some fire in there, man. Some dope ish. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed by now, stop waiting, man. Click the sub button, click the bell as well so you're alerted to new videos, and catch you at the next video. Have a dope day and make some dope music. Peace.